Hello there! In this video I'd like to show you how to set up a connection between two or more Flexisoft controllers via Eevee Pro. So let's get started. I've already prepared 4 Flexisoft controllers as an offline project in the Safety Designer. I added them as easily as shown in the tutorial about connecting Flexisoft and Microscan 3. Please note that the network settings need to be defined the way I've shown there. Each of the Flexisoft controllers is configured with an Eevee Pro gateway that allows for safe communication between the devices. To create the connection between the Flexisoft controllers, we go to the main window in the tab Connection. We simply use the drag and drop function to do that. In our example, CPU02 and CPU03 are connected directly to CPU01. CPU04 is connected to CPU02. So as you can see, topologies are freely selectable and combinable. If you want to edit or delete an existing connection, you can do that in the device window for controller specific configuration. In this tutorial, we want to show you how to delete a connection and replace it with another one. Let's take the connection between CPUs number 2 and number 4 as an example. We want to delete this connection and reconnect CPU number 4 with CPU number 3. In order to delete the already existing connection, open CPU number 2 with a double click. Go to Configuration, where you will find the tab Connection Creation, which shows you a detailed view of all the connections of this particular controller. This includes both the input and output assemblies of each controller. A click on the connection line opens a little menu which lets you either delete or edit the connection. In our case, we choose delete. Note, you will have to do this for both input and output connection lines. After deleting the connection, we close the device window again and go back to the main window. Now we want to connect CPU number 4 with CPU number 3. You can simply do it via drag and drop as shown before. Or you can use the device window again. So let's open the device window for CPU number 3 and do it from here. Open the Configuration tab and go to Connection Creation. Add CPU number 4 by simply dragging and dropping the device to the highlighted spot here. Again, note the input and output assemblies of the controller that we have just added. Now draw the line from CPU number 4 to CPU number 3. The corresponding assembly gets highlighted. This way you can easily connect up to 10 Flexisoft controllers with one another. It's as easy as pie, isn't it? So hope this tutorial was helpful. See you next time.